Hello, everyone, and welcome to AI Fundamentals for Effective Classroom Integration. I'm your instructor, Michelle Gala, and I'm excited to guide you through this micro-credential. Together, we'll explore how AI is transforming education, and more importantly, how you can effectively harness its power to enhance your students' learning experiences. Get ready to discover practical strategies that will change how you think about AI in your classroom. To understand where we're going, it helps to see where AI development started. For decades, a key goal, famously framed by Alan Turing with his imitation game back in 1950 and reinforced at the pivotal Dartmouth Conference in 1957, was to create machines that could mimic human intelligence. The question, can machines think, became, can machines act so much like humans that we can't tell the difference? Despite these efforts to mimic human intelligence, many of us working with new AI tools or seeing our students use them have noticed something a bit odd. AI often seems capable of complex tasks like drafting creative stories or synthesizing ideas, things we usually consider higher-order thinking in Bloom's taxonomy. Yet, the same AI might stumble on what we see as basics, like recalling a simple fact correctly or applying a straightforward rule. For instance, AI might write a beautiful poem but get a historical date wrong, or generate a complex scientific explanation but make a basic factual error. It's like having a student who could write a sophisticated term paper, but also make the simple math mistake that 2 + 2 = 5. And hey, I will give you an extra point if you can figure out why an AI actually made that mistake. Listen for hints later in this video. If we expect AI to be a human substitute in the classroom, we can run into a few problems. We might have unrealistic expectations and miss out on the unique, powerful contributions AI can make. It can lead us to focus on AI's errors rather than leveraging its strengths. Since, despite our efforts, AI doesn't think like humans, expecting it to work as we do is like expecting a fish to climb a tree. So, this brings us to the core idea of this micro-credential, the cyber-social framework. Instead of imitation, we focus on partnership. We'll leverage the distinct strengths of both human and AI cognition in partnership. Because humans and AI think differently with different strengths and weaknesses, we can achieve more together than either could alone. Researchers like Hemmer and colleagues emphasize that the goal is human-AI teaming for outcomes that are greater than the sum of their parts. This is the new lens we'll be using. Adopting this complementary intelligence cybersocial lens has real implications for our classrooms. The cybersocial framework recognizes that humans and AI have different types of intelligence. When we combine them strategically, we can achieve outcomes that neither could accomplish alone. This means we start to shift our thinking. It's less about how will AI do my work for me, and more about how can AI help me and my students think, create, or explore in new and more powerful ways? This approach inherently places a high value on distinctly human skills, our ability to think critically, make ethical judgments, understand context, and bring our unique creativity and empathy to the table. Ultimately, this is about preparing our students for a future where collaborating effectively with different forms of intelligence will be a key skill. And that's our goal for this first video, to set the stage for why this shift in perspective is so important.